Hey everybody, this is Dustin, Cherokee Specialist. So I'm not sure, I just was walking around and do something real quick on the lot. Here's a cougar, and as you can see, the front cap's starting to fade. It's not really bad, but I can tell that the paint's fading. And then you come over here to this Grand Design, and you can see that the paint on that is getting really bad. There we go. So see how that's all getting damaged and all that, the clear coat or whatever that's on there. So I'm not sure, as we go around the lot, you'll see like here's a Solitude that's got one too. And you can see where it's getting all faded and sun damaged. I'm not sure if this is from like a chemical issue. I mean, besides the sun, but a lot of people nowadays will drive through like truck washes and washes because these guys are so big, and they'll just go through like, whether it be a guys doing it manually or guys doing it, you know, through an actual like a car wash that's made for an RV. But it seems like it's drying out the paint and the caps on them and causing damage to the front ends. So keep that in mind if you're going to like a diesel truck or wash stop or something like that, and they're using too aggressive of soaps or cleaners, or if they have like a, you know, they just had a truck before you that had an aluminum trailer on it that had, you know, the solvents and the acids to go ahead and remove the bugs and stuff, that might be also causing that damage to the very tops. But a lot of times we'll see that will happen, and it'll do like a chemical reaction which will damage the roofs, and it will dry out all like the AC covers and TV antennas and stuff like that that's on the top, or vent lids or vent lid covers, and it'll actually dry out the oils that's in the plastic and then cause them to get brittle, crack, discolored, and come apart. So just something to throw out there, you know. So make sure you're staying up on all your sealants on your roof when you're up there. Be safe on your ladders. Make sure you're applying all your 303s and UV treatments to both the roof membrane itself as well as to all the plastics that's on the roof and your awnings. So all right, well, just doing a quick walk around the yard, and we've got some room out here, so we got a bunch more units coming in later this week. Today's Thursday, and we got quite a few, I think, picking up tomorrow, which we had quite a few pick up today, and then we got some more dropping off between tomorrow and all next week. So stay tuned for more and have a great day. And here's Terry acting all crazy. So all right. Thanks a lot. And Terry, hey, really, you're ruining my video, right? Hi also. All right, everybody, well, you see what I have to deal with every day. Okay, well, you guys have a great day and stay tuned for more. This is Dustin, Terry, Oso in the RV shop, having a good time. Thanks, guys.